Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel and click the bell icon for the next video. Today we are going to discuss about the UGC Net paper 1. Here we have 15 or 15 to 17 questions. The first question is, which of the following statements regarding the term ICT are true? The first statement is, ICT is an acronym that stands for Indian Classical Technology. This is not true. Second statement, converging technologies that exemplify ICT include the merging of audio, visual, telephone and computer networks through a common cabling system. This is true. So, here the correct answer is option 2, Q only. Q statement is true. Second statement is true. Converging technologies that exemplify ICT include the emerging of audio-visual, telephone and computer networks through a common cabling system is true statement regarding the term ICT. Option 2 is correct answer. Now let us see next question. Next question is, a new laptop has been produced that weighs less, is smaller and uses less power previous laptop models. Which of the following technologies has been used to accomplish this? The question is, a new laptop has been produced that weighs less, is smaller and uses less power previous laptop models. Which of the following technologies has been used to accomplish this? The correct answer is option 4, solid state hard drive. Solid state hard drive technology has been used to accomplish this. Okay friends, now let us see next question. Next question is, put the following units of storage into the correct order, starting with the smallest unit first and going down to the largest unit. Here the smallest unit of memory is bit. After that, byte is larger than bit. After byte, kilobyte is larger than byte, and after that megabyte is larger than kilobyte. After that, gigabyte is larger than megabyte. After that, terabyte is bigger than gigabyte. Here the correct answer is option 3, F, B, A, C, E, D. Option 3 is correct answer. F. Here F is bit and B is byte, A is kilobyte, C is megabyte, E is gigabyte and D is terabyte. Okay friends, the correct answer is option 3. The next question is, with regard to computer memory, which of the following statements are true? With regard to computer memory, which of the following statement are true? Very important question. First statement is, read-only memory is volatile memory. Is not true. Next statement is, random access memory is volatile memory. This is true. Or secondary memory is volatile memory. This is not correct. So here the correct answer is second statement. Q. Random access memory is volatile memory. Option 2 is correct answer. Option 2, here we have Q. Q only true. Okay friends, now let us see next question. Next question is, fly ash produced in thermal power plants is an eco-friendly resource for use in. The question is, fly ash produced in thermal power plants is an eco-friendly resource for use in. The options are agriculture as micronutrient, wasteland development, dam and water holding structure, and brick industry. Here, 4 options are eco-friendly resource. So, all these options are correct answer. Option 4, A, B, C, D, all are correct. Option 4 is correct answer. Okay friends, now let us see next question. Which of the following types of natural disasters has no definite beginning and end? Which of the following types of natural disasters has no definite beginning and end? Here the correct answer is 4. Droughts. Droughts is the correct answer. Option 4 is correct answer. Now let us see next question. Next question is assertion and reason. Assertion A. Indoor air pollution is serious hazard. Assertion is indoor air pollution is serious hazard, and reason is the dispersal of air pollutants is rather limited in indoor environment. Choose the correct answer from the code given below. Here the correct answer is option 1. Correct answer is option 1. Both A and R true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Okay friends, option 1 is correct answer. Both are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Now let us see next question. Next question is, in terms of their contribution to the total power generation in India, in terms of their contribution to the total power generation in India, identify the correct sequence of energy resources. Thermal power plants, large hydropower projects, nuclear energy, and renewable energy, which includes solar energy, wind energy, biomass, and small hydro power projects. Here, the question is, in terms of their contribution to the total power generation in India, identify the correct sequence of energy resources. Thermal power plants, large hydropower projects, nuclear energy, and renewable energy, which includes solar energy, wind energy, biomass, and small hydropower projects. Here the correct answer is option 1. Option 1. Here the thermal power plants is the largest energy source in India. After that, renewable energy. After that, large hydropower projects. After that, nuclear energy. Option 1 is correct answer. Thermal power plant is the largest energy source in India. After that, renewable energy, and after that, large hydropower projects, and after that, nuclear energy. Okay, friends, option 1 is correct answer. Now let us see next question. Which of the following is considered as major source of pollution in rivers of India? The question is, which of the following is considered as major source of pollution in rivers of India? The correct answer is option 2, untreated sewage. Option 2 is correct answer. Untreated sewage is considered as major source of pollution in rivers of India. Okay, friends. Now let us see next question. Next question is, India has the largest higher education system in the world. India has the largest higher education system in the world after. The correct answer is option 1 and 2. Option 1 and 3. India has the largest higher education system in the world after United States of America and China. Here the correct answer is option 4, A and C. A and C. Option 4, A and C is correct answer. India has the largest higher education system in the world after United States of America and China. Okay, friends. Now let us see next question. The next question is, Prime Minister Research Fellowship is for students pursuing PhD program in. The question is, Prime Minister Research Fellowship is for students pursuing PhD program in. The correct answer is option 4, IITs and IIC. Indian Institute of Technologies and Indian Institute of Science. Option 4 is correct answer. Okay, friends. Now let us see next question. Next question is, Leader of the opposition is a member of committees which select. Member of the opposition is a member of committees which select. Options are the Central Information Commission, B, the Central Vigilance Commissioner, C, the Chairperson of National Human Rights Commission, D, the Chairperson of National Commission for Women. But the correct answer is option A and B. Option A, B, and C is the correct answer. Option 2 is correct answer. Here the correct answer is option 2, A, B, C. That means leader of the opposition is a member of committees. That means leader of the opposition is a member of the Central Information Commissioner and the Central Vigilance Commissioner, the Chairperson of National Human Rights Commission. These three A, B, C are the correct answer. So here the option 2 is correct answer. Okay, friends. Now let us see next question. Next question is, which of the following statements are correct about gender budgeting? Which of the following statements are correct about gender budgeting? Here we have, it is separate budget addressing the specific needs of women. B, it assesses the impact of government budget on women. C, it is an accounting exercise. D, it is another budgeting innovations. So here the correct answer is A and D. A and D statements are correct about gender budgeting. It is separate budget addressing the specific needs of women. This is correct. And D, it is another budgeting innovation. This is also correct. Here the correct answer is option 1, B and D. B and D is the correct answer. It assesses the impact of government budget on women, and D, it is another budgeting innovation. Okay, friends. The correct answer is B and D. Option option 1 is correct answer, B and D only. The next question is, which of the following are the barriers to citizen-centric administration in India? Very important question. Which of the following are the barriers to citizen-centric administration in India? Options are wooden and inflexible attitude of the civil servants, 2. Ineffective implementation of laws and rules, awareness of rights and duties of citizens, D. Lack of job opportunities for the youth. Here, A and B are the barriers to citizen-centric administration in India. Wooden and inflexible attitude of the civil servants. This is also the barrier to citizen-centric administration, and ineffective implementation of laws and rules. This is also the barriers to the citizen-centric administration in India. Okay, friends. Here, option 4, A and B. Okay, A and B is the barriers to citizen-centric administration in India. So, A and B are the correct answers. Now let us see next question. Very important question. Which of the sets of activities best indicate the cyclic nature of action research strategy? Which of the sets of activities best indicate the cyclic nature of action research strategy? Option 1, reflect, observe, plan, act. 2, observe, act, reflect, plan. 3, act, plan, observe, reflect. 4, plan, act, observe, reflect. Here the correct answer is option 4, plan, act, observe, reflect. Plan, act, observe and reflect. Okay, friends, option 4 is correct answer. Now let us see next question. Next question is, which of the following sequence of research steps is nearer to scientific method? Which of the following sequence of research steps is nearer to scientific method? Here the correct answer is option 2. Option 2 is correct answer. Perceiving the problem situation. Secondly, locating the actual problem and its definition. Thirdly, hypothesizing. After that, reducing the consequence of the suggested solution, and testing the hypothesis in action. So, option 2 is correct answer. Now let us see next question. Next question is, the problem of research ethics is concerned with which aspect of research activities? The problem of research ethics is concerned with which aspect of research activities? The problem of research ethics is concerned with which aspects of research activities? Here the correct answer is option 4, evidence-based research reporting. The problem of research ethics is concerned with evidence-based research reporting. Okay, friends, option 4 is correct answer. Now let us see next question. Next question is, In which of the following activities potential for nurturing creative and critical thinking is relatively greater? In which of the following activities potential for nurturing creative and critical thinking is relatively greater? The correct answer is option 3, participation in research conference. Participation in research conference is the potential for nurturing creative and critical thinking is relatively greater. Okay friends, option 3 is correct answer. Participation in research conference. Now let us see next question. Next question is which of the following learner characteristics is highly related to effectiveness of teaching? Very important question. Which of the following learner characteristics is highly related to effectiveness of teaching? Here the options are prior experience of the learner, secondly educational status of the parents of the learner, 3 peer groups of the learner, 4 family size from which the learner comes. But the correct answer is option 1, prior experience of the learner is highly related to effectiveness of teaching. Okay friends, option 1 is correct answer. Next question is superiority of intellect depends upon its power of concentration on some team in the same way. The question is superiority of intellect depends upon its power of concentration on one team in the same way as a concave mirror collects all the rays that strike upon it into one point. The question is superiority of intellect depends upon its power of concentration on one team in the same way as a concave mirror collects all the rays that strike upon it into one point. The options are mathematical, 2 psychological, 3 analogical, 4 deductive. Here the correct answer is option 3, analogical is the correct answer. Okay friends, this much only for today. So if you are watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel and click the bell icon for the next video. Thank you friends.